Alright, let's take a look at the daily chart of Adobe and look at some of the technical analysis. Stock had a very nasty drop and is about to reach the 200 MA. The rising 200 daily MA can be a subjective support. Some hints that it was dropping. When it dropped below this uptrend line, it had a nasty fall. So this is an area of support actually, and because of this congestion area of support, we hope that as it falls to the 200 MA, maybe we can see it slow down, and maybe those if there's a setup, maybe we could buy the stock at a cheaper rate. Okay, so this will be the support area, and maybe the 200 MA might stop it dropping. Here's the support area. If it stays above the support area, then most likely it will not go any lower than that. Stock is about, let's take a look. This is a support area. Last time it offered some trade setups. You could buy the stock when it broke above this downtrend line. So when it breaks above this downtrend line as well, and then previously there was this support area. There was a trade setup here as well, where traders can buy the stock when it breaks above the downtrend line at the support area. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart is very interesting. It went from stage 2 uptrend to market top and downtrend, but the reason why it broke above it bottom is because it formed a weekly triangle. When it broke out of the triangle, it shot up. The height of this is the target, which it nicely met. There was a bullish cross here, which is why the stock rose. Now the reason why I think the stock is unable to move high is because of this area of resistance. Okay, and stock broke below an uptrend line, and that's why it corrected, and it takes a bit of time for it to absorb the supply here. So this could be a double top as well. So if the support area does not hold the support area, you could see the beginnings of a drop, but if it holds, right, it just continue to drift up there. And here is a bottoming tail setup where you can actually look at the daily chart. It breaks the downtrend line, and this is a bottoming tail setup. I could buy when it trades above the bottoming tail and it rolls. Here the bottoming tail kind of pattern also hinted that it will reverse to go back up. Let's see. In the past, there's this breakout. Oops. Let me just draw flag-like kind of pattern. Weekly flag broke out and reaches clone. Okay, and then this is like a weekly flag. We can take the measured move here, and that's why when it met the target, it dropped. So very important for us to remember, when target is met, we want to take profits. So a lot of things we can learn from the weekly chart as well. At this moment, it is above the for most of the time here it has been above the weekly 20 MA, but it dropped below the 20 MA, which is not very good. Usually when it drops below the 20 MA, we have to be a bit careful. So weekly chart tells us that it has almost recovered the losses here, but still a bit shy from the former highs. And we can draw an uptrend line here that connects the lows here, which is why it's dropping. Okay, so don't see any buy setups here, but definitely it is still in a nice weekly uptrend, and we want to see if there are dips that are buyable. So one good thing about it is there is a lot of support here, and if it can stabilize around here, then most likely it can go back up. If it doesn't, we might see it selling off again. So quite a lot of tradable areas here, like here, here, here. Even if a stock is not doing like a nice big rise, uptrend, it does provide us with tradable opportunities. Let me just look at the stock MACD indicators. Okay. When you look at the stock MACD, yes, this is a buyable area where the MACD started to shorten, so it gave a hint that bearish momentum is going down. The buy point is around here, where stochastic oversold and gave bullish signal. Here also, stochastic oversold gave a buy signal, and traders can buy here as it breaks downtrend line. If you look at the 60-minute chart, you will see the downtrend line more clearer. Let's just go to the 60-minute chart. Yeah. When stock breaks above the 60-minute downtrend line, this could be a buy area. Put a stop here, goes back up. Buy here, put a stop here, ride the trend higher. At this moment, what I'll do is a short term, it's better for us not to touch ADBE when it's below the 60-minute 20 MA. You want to wait for it to go back above, then you start thinking of buying short term. Right. So it all depends on this support area and also the 200 MA. Okay, let's see if we can stabilize and maybe can find a buy opportunity here. So that's all for ADBE. I'm going to move on to the next stock. If you find this kind of analysis helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.